Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden and cook healthy meals. If you're into that, go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget the bell. We're not canceling the holidays or our New Year's celebration, but we're going to keep ourselves and others safe by making small and flexible plans, remembering that the health of those that we love is more important as we enter the season and we end this year 2020 with gratitude. Come on, I'm in the kitchen. I'm cooking up one of my family's favorite meals to prepare this time of the year. Yes, it's our New Year's Eve celebration dinner, and I'm so excited. I prepared a little early, but I wanted to share with you some of my favorite dishes. All right, and of course, I made a plate for you. Watch till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give this video the biggest thumbs up. See you in 2021. And don't forget to take out some of your favorite dinnerware and your silverware. This is a time to celebrate. Yes, it's clean up with me, and then we can continue to celebrate as we bring in the new year and watch the ball drop on Times Square. Thank you so much. And as always, what do I say? Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. Blessings.